James.
What?
Is this officer involved?
No, just tased him.
Oh, someone aired shots fired.
I didn't hear that.
Okay.
150. Sean Farr is running eastbound from Cascade Court. Male black, all black.
In 2014, Mr. Deshaun Farr was sentenced to 9 years in prison after pleading an involuntary manslaughter case down to aggravated burglary. He was released from prison in 2022 and placed on parole. On March 18, 2024, officers with the Columbus Division of Police were looking for Mr. Farr as he had violated his parole and had warrants for his arrest. Mr. Farr was located in his vehicle and then fled on foot. That is what we're going to watch today. As you watch this video, please keep in mind that the officer is attempting to take Mr. Farr into custody while using the lowest amount of force necessary. He is also alone, battling a man who is larger than he is and also has a violent history. These incidents are incredibly exhausting.
What's up, man? Sean, don't move. Put your hands up. Hands up. What's your name?
You said what?
What's your name?
Thomas Jr.
You got your ID on you?
Yes, sir. He was right there in my dude's car. Thomas Jr. though.
All right.
Mike.
Deshaun, don't fucking move. 150. Deshaun Farr is running eastbound from Cascade Court. Male black, all black. Running north and east along the fence line. I'll fucking move or I'll tase you. Get on the fucking ground.
My name is Dominique.
No, it's not. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the fucking ground.
All right, y'all.
Get on the fucking ground now. Get on the ground!
I got diabetes. My pass out. I got diabetes. I have diabetes. I'm dying.
I'm about a block east of the leasing office in rear of an address near the fence line. He's resisting. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the ground! Get down on your face! Don't fucking move! Down on your stomach!
Man,
Don't fucking move!
I'm about to pass out. My sister stay right here. Please.
Cruisers that just came by. Turn around. Get on the ground.
My sister stay right here.
Don't fucking move or I'll give you another ride!
All right, I'm done. See you, sir.
Back up northbound.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your fucking back.
Copy, back towards heavy.
2937 Cascade. Josh, stop right there. Come behind the dumpsters.
What did I do? Can you call my mom, please?
Here. Shut the fuck up. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your fucking back.
Copy, back towards heavy.
What did I do?
2937 Cascade. Josh,
did I
stop right
do?
there. Come behind the dumpsters.
What did I do? Can you call my mom, please?
Here. Shut the fuck up.
I'm tired. I have to die. I don't know what's going on. Go, step off. I got him.
Talk to him. Come over there.
What's going on? What the fuck is going on?
You got warrants.
Copy, 107.
I'm fucking lost. You just leave me up there.
No, not right now.
150. App address is 2937 La Vista.
James,
What?
is this officer involved?
No, just tased him.
Oh, someone aired shots fired.
I didn't air that.
Okay.
You give me up. Ready.
150.
Stand up.
Need a 24 and a supervisor for a taser.